Homeowner Association, HOA. I personally am not a big fan of HOAs. The reason why is because they are a private organization that restricts what a homeowner can do to their properties. Me, myself, I do not support any legislation that restricts what homeowners or free people do to their properties. Let's look at what a HOA is. A private organization that oversees the management of some residential communities. HOAs establish a set of rules and regulations called bylaws for those living in the community to follow. They're most often found in charge of common interest communities such as planned neighborhoods, townhouses, and multi-unit apartment buildings or condominiums. As you might imagine, there can be pros and cons to living in a community run by an HOA. While the group's governance might prevent you from doing exactly what you want with your property, the rules set in place are designed to preserve the neighborhood and help all the homes maintain their property values. What's more, the fees typically paid by HOA community residents are also used to maintain the common areas and keep the entire neighborhood appealing. So HOA fees, they do, or what they include. Sometimes it's trash pickup, landscaping, community gym, pool, and common areas, security, maintenance, and repairs. If we have a home and it's on a block, there's several other homes. What they mention with HOA, it definitely prevents people from doing whatever they want to. So there's going to be no cars on blocks. That is a no-go. That will not fly in a HOA, and they will just find them, and it'll get removed pretty quickly. Versus a neighborhood without an HOA, there would be absolutely nothing you can do about that situation. So there definitely are pros and cons to living in an HOA. As far as us, Homeowners Association, it always costs money. So again, one of the very first questions we need to ask if it does have an HOA is how much the monthly or yearly cost of the HOA is. And we need to figure out what that number is because it's going to add to our underwriting. Again, we could talk about HOA a long time and we could throw out opinions and beliefs and etc. And we could go both ways, positive and negative. But overall, what we need to do is understand and make sure that we know that an HOA either is in place or it is not in place. And if it is in place, we need to understand what that monthly payment is.